Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry key fob battery. This is a straightforward process you can do at home in just a few minutes. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these two items ready will make the replacement quick and easy, saving you a trip to the dealership and a few dollars. Now let's open the key fob. First, find the small notch, usually near the keyring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once a small gap appears, you can often use your fingers to fully separate the casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Most Toyota key fobs use a CR2032 coin battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, which usually has the text and a plus sign, is facing upwards. It should snap securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all internal components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear them click and seal completely around the edges. Once securely closed, test all the buttons on your key fob, such as lock, unlock, and panic, to ensure everything is working correctly with your new battery. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.